Park Medi World has approved the acquisition of Meher Hospital, Jirakpur for about 107 crore rupees in an all-cash deal. The over 150-bed multi-speciality hospital will strengthen the company's presence in the Punjab Tri-City region and is expected to come under the Park Hospitals brand by December 2026. KEC International has secured new orders worth 1063 crore rupees across its civil, transmission and distribution, renewables and cable businesses. The orders include a major residential projects in India, a 400 kV transmission line in Africa, over 50 megawatt wind EPC project and cable supply contracts, taking the company's total order inflows this financial year to over 6,300 crore rupees. Jupiter Wagons has partnered with Italy's Lucchini RS to develop Jupiter Wagons railway factory, India's first fully integrated private sector railway manufacturing platform. Backed by a 28 million euro, around 305.2 crore rupees investment. The company has also acquired the remaining 1.94% stake, taking its ownership in Jupiter Wagons railway factory to 100%, making it a wholly owned subsidiary.